Welcome to Growing Old. Let's give some stuff away.
We're growing old, a name you'll hear around. 'Cause we're planting seeds in sacred ground. We cultivate with purpose, heart and soul. Cannabis as medicine, that's our goal. In our greenhouse, sunshine streams and glows. Watching green.
Well, okay, so let's start, and we want to start with thanking all of our subscribers and saying how grateful we are to everybody, because we wouldn't be in the position of making a giveaway video if it wasn't for you guys, and we really appreciate it. So to get the thing started, we'll go with the international winners first. And what we've got for the international winners is starting off with a sea vault. And of course, you know I have one, and I take it everywhere with me. And inside you've got your Bovita humidity pack, and that'll keep whatever you carry in here in the proper form that you like. Next, what we've got is some Vivasun precision hand pruners, the scissors. And you can't have scissors, I'm gonna skip over here, without a scissor scrubber. I mean, I got one, I love it. Yeah, I love it. You'll love it. Also, we've got these Vivasun 8.5-inch shears. I use the shears to cut my plants. I've seen a lot of videos and people are using saws, but I use the shears, and these shears will get it done. And it's not listed there, but I've decided that you can't have a prize that doesn't include these seed huggers. Okay, so with all that being said, I believe we're ready to find out who the first international winner is. May we? That's 46 comments. So there's 46 of you out there.
The winner is Papa Zaza Genetics.
Papa Zaza Genetics. Congratulations. Hey, if you just send us or get into the description, our email's in there, send us your address, and we'll get this stuff off to you right away. Congratulations. So, shall we go for number 2? And here it is.
Blue Dream Smoker 420.
Blue Dream Smoker 420. Congratulations. Again, go into the description, get our address, shoot us a note, and let us know your address, and then we'll get this out to you as soon as possible. Okay, now, before we start the U.S. packages, I just want to make sure you know that all the prizes given away tonight will be linked in the description. So if you see something that you like, it'll be linked in the description. But let's start off with the first prize here for the US, and that's package number 5. In package number 5, we've got the Vivasun scissors. You know, I got these laying all over the house. My favorites, the seed huggers. Yep. And these are just some training clips, and you even get a slap with them. And finally, some beans. And all you have to do is tell us wedding cake or Girl Scout cookies. And those are the 5 we'll send you. So, let's find out who the first U.S. winner is.
Loading the comments.
Loading the comments.
155 comments.
155 entered.
And the winner is Grow Dope Smoke Skunk.
Grow Dope Smoke Skunk.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. I love that name. Sounds like my dog's name. But hey, congratulations again. And look in the description, email's there. Shoot us a note. Give us your address. Let us know Girl Scout cookies or wedding cake, and we'll get this stuff out to you as soon as we can. Okay, so now the second prize we're going to give away is what we call package number 4. Now it's the same as 5. Get all of this, but we're including the AC Infinity electric sprayer. I love mine. This is mine. I didn't want to take yours out of the box, but they're really nice. And remember the beans, wedding cake or Girl Scout cookies. Just tell us which 5 you would like. So now let's see who our next winner is.
Litwick 313.
Litwick 313. Congratulations, man. Just remember, down in the description, our email, shoot us a note with your address. Tell us Girl Scout cookies or the wedding cake, and we'll get this out to you as soon as we can. Thank you. Okay, so our next package, we've called it number 3. They're getting better. And you're getting the same as everything as before in package number 4, but we're adding a scissor scrubber. You can't have scissors without a scrubber, and I like mine. I do want to mention on the AC Infinity, again, just that if you go to the AC Infinity site and Growing Old is our code, you get 10% off, or you go to Amazon and you can get 5% off. So just wanted to make sure you knew that, because I think the Amazon thing is kind of cool. But let's pick the winner of package number 3, please.
Say that 420 buds. Say that.
Say that. 420 buds. Congratulations, man. Just send us, get in there, description, shoot us your a note with your address, which of these you want, and we'll get it out to you. Okay, so now we're moving on to package number 2. And what we have in package number 2, I'd like to thank Luke at Autopots for getting us a really, really good discount so we could offer these as a prize. But there we have a 2-pot Autopot system with a 12.4 gallon hard tank, and 3.9 gallon pots, just like we ran in the tents here. Really good system. I love Autopots. Your seed huggers, you can't have a good system without these. And then all you have to do is tell us wedding cake or Girl Scout cookies. So that's 5 in our auto flower.
Budget buds.
Budget buds. That's great, man. Just go in there, shoot us a note, give us your address, tell us which you like, the Girl Scout cookies or the wedding cake, and we'll get that stuff out to you. With this package and the next one, your Autopot will be coming directly from Luke at Autopots. So he'll be shipping that to you, and we'll ship the rest to you. But hey, congratulations. Okay, so let's get to the final package. We've called it number 1. And again, thank you, Luke. This is an Autopot system. It's a Tray to Grow Slim kit, just like I've got out there in the greenhouse. It's growing some mighty big potatoes. But that's in there. It's also gonna have a 12.4 gallon tank kit to go with it. Seed huggers. And 5 each of either wedding cake or Girl Scout cookies. So let's see who the final winner is.
MD Spider.
MD Spider. Brother, congratulations, man. All you got to do, you go down there, you shoot us your address, and we'll get the address to Luke, and he'll ship you the Autopot stuff, and then we'll get this stuff to you right away. Congratulations, man. So finally, I would just like to thank all of our subscribers and tell you how grateful we are to be in this position again, to be able to have a giveaway at the end of the evening. We are the final winners here. Thank you very much. We're very grateful.
You lift us up when doubts begin to creep. Your cheers inspire us while we're asleep.